I feel like it's been a long time since I've just done a regular POV drive video, so that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I really just feel like driving the car, no specific destination, no purpose. I'm just gonna take y'all with me, just cruise around town. If you guys are watching this, I don't know when I'm gonna upload this video, but yesterday was July 4th, so if you live in the United States, I hope you guys had a good 4th of July. I don't know if you can see, but I got my freedom socks on. Super comfortable. But yeah, I really like this car because I can just ring it out all the way on the street and be fine. Like if I just want to go for a rip, I can do that. I don't have to go on the highway. I can literally just cruise around my town. I believe this is my turn right here. Yeah. Oh. Get to where I want to go. What in the world happened here? Oh, no. Guys, you gotta be careful turning left. I guarantee you that's what happened. Hopefully everyone's alright. Been there before. got that, you got that, you got that. It's just a fun, controllable car, man. Like, I'm not doing too much, I'm just rolling through gears. That's why I love this car, because I can just, like, this car in every sense of the word is just a go-kart. You really do feel like you're in a go-kart when you're driving this car. Compared to something that would make a little bit more power, like something in like the 300 to 400 range, it would be a lot quicker. Something that made a lot more torque, but this thing makes no horsepower, no torque. Well, I don't want to say 220 is no horsepower, but I mean, compared to a lot of modern, I mean, like, we live in the day and age where a Toyota Camry makes like 400 from the factory. So I guess relative to modern cars, it's low horsepower, but it's plenty to have fun. I mean, when you have a chassis that's lightweight and that's balanced, it really just, it livens everything up. Like, I'll roll the windows up. Hopefully it wasn't too loud. This is one of my favorite driving roads. Ooh-wee. Forgot about this little downhill. My brakes work though. Looks like a Z3. I think it was a Z3. Or a very, very early model Z4, but pretty cool car. Ah, man, I got this car. Oh, let's freaking go. I'm tweaking. Alright, it's that time again. Hopefully nobody's turning right. Oh, no way, bro. Y'all are all getting on the back road? Man. Shoot, maybe I should have filmed this video at night. That was a big mistake. I should not have took my foot off the gas right there. But I was in the wrong gear. I was like, I'm going slow enough. I'm not gonna understeer. I also have traction control on because I'm just not dumb. I will say though, it is kind of hard taking turns properly when I have a camera right between my eyes. It's actually throwing off my perception. So like if you see me kind of going outside and I just turn sharply inside, just know it's because I have a camera between my eyes. But yeah, I don't want this video to get too long, so I'm gonna head home, end it here. If you guys enjoyed the drive, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. And that's all I got for y'all. Hope y'all have a blessed one, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.